Thanks for tuning in today. We're going to show you how to replace the headrests in the back of a Mark 7 GTI or Sportwagen or Alltrack. So here's the thing that I don't like about this car is that you see back there the headrests, they block the sight in the back when you're looking in the rear view. You can't see these headrests are so big back there, and we don't barely ever have people back there anyway. So my wife's got a A4 Quattro Audi 2010, and it has these headrests that are much smaller, and I test fit them and they fit. So then I got a set, which you can see back here. I'll show you this. These babies, they hug the seat, see? And it's low profile, and these ones here are leather instead of cloth, but they match perfectly the color that's in here. These are cloth seats in my Mark 7, and I got a full set of these. These are from the rear, and they are leather. Got them off eBay, $100 for the whole set. I think it was like $90. If you go to a junkyard, you probably get them for $20 for the whole set. So let's put them on and see how it looks. So that's before. Now we're going to show you how to install these. My lovely assistant here. So you go in the back, and the first thing you got to do is lower the seat a little bit, like this. Alright, so now there's a little, come over here, Mom.
Okay.
Can you see my finger over here?
It's kind of dark.
Alright, there you go.
There you go.
Okay, so right here, there's a button you push in, and then on the inside, there's another button that you can barely see, and you really gotta push in on this side. I'll show you on the other side, but you gotta push in there real hard. And here, let me take the camera so I can show you this button. Alright, I don't know, can you see this little button here? The button. Alright, and then it comes up. So now let's take the new one. Alright, I'm gonna put the new one in here. Like this. There it is, it's in there. Look at that. I got a flush mount. Look at how tall that one is compared to this one. Alright, now we can do the other side, and we can do the middle. Alright, so here's the middle. The middle one has the same thing. It's got the clip on one side, the thing on the other. You gotta squish your fingers on it to get it out. So then you take this one out, and we can put this one in. That. Ooh, nice. Nice little headrest now. Same thing. See? Now we got two of them in. Now we got this one. Okay, you want to hold? Well, first you gotta go like this, because otherwise it doesn't go up for some reason. And the same thing. Take this one out. Got ourselves a new one here. Stick this baby in. There you go. Yeah, that's all lit out. Alright. I don't know, this one's riding a little high here. I might put the original one back in there.
That's what I was thinking of.
Right?
Yeah.
Is this riding too high?
Yeah.
Let's see here.
It's so dark.
Yeah, that is better. This is leather, cloth, leather. You know? What are you gonna do? It's pretty good. Now, it's bright out here. Alright. Now, ooh, look at that. Look at it in the rear view. Wow, it's a full view in the rear view mirror now. You can see no problem out the back. Beautiful, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right, please like this video and subscribe. I need more subscribers. I'm at 700 subscribers. I need 1,000 subscribers, so please subscribe to this video and help me out. Thanks.
Bye.